Well, hello everyone, it's Kari, and I'm here to share some of my favorite cards from this year's releases from Whimsy Stamps. I've had such a great time designing and working with these new products. I have loved every minute of it. How cute are these dancing brunch buddies? I just loved them. And then this release was super fun as well. I can't believe this year is already gone. So I've cut this video down and I'm only sharing maybe half of the cards that I've made this year because there were so many, but I loved all of these. And look at that little guy with his gummy worms. So fun. And this little bear, of course, I loved. All the releases were super good. But wait until we get to the Halloween releases because once Halloween came, I was done for. I loved every little release. This fire and ice die was probably one of my favorites. You could use it for fire. You could layer it up and make some ice, make different layers, different colors. It also looks good with all the superhero sets. So that's one of the reasons I loved that one so much. And then this bear release with all of the super cool sentiments. I love that too. The shark was one of my favorites. My sister hates sharks, so of course I had to make her a shark card, and she loved the card. And then when the barnyard animals came out, I had so much fun creating little photographs of them, little scenes on the farms. There were some great papers that Whimsy came out with as well during this time. And then, of course, the cupcakes. I had to light up that candle on the cupcakes, and I just enjoyed doing that as well. Whimsy has such a way with their releases, but Halloween, I think, is probably my favorite with Whimsy. Nobody does Halloween like Whimsy, I always say. So these are some of my favorites. You can see how cute, and that wanted poster, when that came out, I created so many cards. People love that one. Now you can see that Halloween, most of my cards here, I think, are Halloween cards. But, oh, those brides, that was a quick card front, by the way. Those brides were something else. And then, of course, the terrific tickets, when those came out with the dies, you could make shakers with them. You could do all kinds of things with them. I have quite a few of the terrific tickets in here. And that frame, there's another terrific ticket. But that frame with the creepy spider also was one of my absolute favorites. This I turned into a little ticket holder. So I opened it up, and then inside were some tickets to the haunted Halloween house. I thought that was such a fun way. And there's the potion bottles. When the potion bottles came out, I created these little gift bottles with a box to them. And then, of course, I couldn't stop creating all things potion bottles. So these were my Halloween makes. I have a video with all of these in them as well, and how to create that potion bottle box too. So you may want to check that out because you could create anything with these potion bottles. So you can see that they go on and on for Halloween. But I also created some Christmas bottle ideas for them. And Whimsy came out with some really great washi tape for the potion bottles. And so my creativity was just sparked so much. But look at this bad Santa as well. I loved creating with that one. Here he is in front of the cozy fireplace. So much fun. And then the quick card fronts this year were just beautiful. I mean, something for the eyes to behold. I loved it. And that elven tags die was so sweet for tags, but also cards as well. And then the Christmas portraits could be made into tags as well. Here's some more of the terrific tickets with some layering stencils with that new s'mores stamp set, which was probably another one of my absolute favorites this year. I have a video with the s'mores, the pink s'mores, and then some of the other s'mores ideas I had. And then we come into Christmas, which with the potion bottles die, which I loved creating. The syrups, gingerbread syrup, candy cane syrup, eggnog. There's another Halloween card I forgot to put in the Halloween section. But the all the things you can do with it. A little honey jar. I liked this little bonjour guy. Brunch with those happy brunch buddies as well. Like I said, I couldn't stop. I I probably created more Halloween, Christmas, and potion bottle cards than anything else this year. So if you didn't get those dies, they were sold out quite a few times. You might want to go back and pick those up for yourself for a little Christmas gift. These woodland Santas I loved as well. And my very last photo is one that I have a video coming up with tomorrow. And it's this one right here with the little tag dies and the ATC book box for a tag die holder. So come back tomorrow, check that out. I hope you enjoyed everything. I really enjoyed making them all. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.